Well, hey everybody, that's going to be a wrap for 2023 first camp. Josh and his wife made it out here, so I appreciate that. We had great conversation. Jared Finley stopped by, and he's the guy that develops the Sugar Creek Loop that I did a video on. So it's nice to see him for a little while. He doesn't live too far from here. But I'm excited about 2023. Lee and I have talked about changing some things on Overland Radio, maybe just the format just a tiny bit. Hopefully makes it more enjoyable for you guys. I plan on making a camp at least once a month. That's going to be my minimum goal. Hopefully I can go out more than that, but I'm really looking forward to giving you guys more videos. And we'll just see where that takes us. This year is going to be an awesome year. I'm really stoked about it. I hope that you guys are stoked, and I hope that you guys are so stoked that you guys just go all over.